Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your country into Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the country, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after opening the Remitly application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now, in order to change the country, you just simply have to go over manage section, and after that you will get to see this option of sending to and your country name. Now you just simply have to select this drop down menu beside that. Now after tapping into that, you will get to see all of the country around the world. Just simply select your country which you would like to change to, and after selecting the country, this is all you have to do. This way you can easily change your country into Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.